Introducing the patent-pending Cedar Summit Field Repair Buckle. Cedar Summit Field Repair Buckles finally provide a viable solution for broken and worn-out buckles. They've been designed to be field replaceable using a screwdriver. Featuring strong, corrosion-resistant stainless steel pins, this hardware is permanent and easy. The range includes 1-pin side release with adjustable ladder lock, 1-pin ladder lock, and 2-pin side release, and is available in 20 and 25mm models.